Hey guys, my name is Ashutosh. I have been working as a software engineer for about 3 years now. Um, and this video is just some of my thoughts about AI and its impact on the craft of software engineering. So yeah, let's go back a bit, right? I actually started coding in 2019, so I have coded with my bare hands for about 3 4 years, and then AI came, and yeah, I've been using AI as well, so I have experience on both sides. So when the pre-AI era, um, I was thinking like, what was the main problem at that point in time, right? About software engineering. Like a lot of these books were made like clean code. There were all of these principles like keep it stupid simple, uh, don't repeat yourself, and those solid principles as well. All of these, the goal of these was to maintain the code quality so that um, the code base can be maintained long term. And yeah, I mean, code base can be maintained long term. That was the main goal, right? So it was never about, I think, at least I don't think that the main problem was that the developers couldn't write the code fast, but it was more about finding the actual bug and just making just enough changes and keeping the code simple, keeping the code extensible, uh, so that the next developer who works on it has an easier time extending the functionality. But with the rise of AI, I mean, the code quality is down the drains. There's no argument about it, right? Um, so like recently, I actually joined a new company, and I was onboarded to a Slack project, and the problem statement was so fucking simple, but the when I actually saw the code base, I mean, I was just intimidated, completely intimidated with the code base. Like, uh, it was so complicated. Like for such a simple problem statement, I mean, I just couldn't imagine why do they need so many files for something like this. I tried to get when I tried to get my KT with the guy who actually developed it 1 month back. Yeah, he also didn't know about the code base at all. He just knew at a high level what's the entire application is supposed to be doing. Um, and yeah, he definitely didn't read the code. It was very much evident. Um, so yeah, I mean, maybe for a small startup, or maybe not even small startup, maybe for small projects as well, right? Even in very big techs, where big tech, there are projects, small projects, small teams working on those projects. Um, so maybe for those, I can understand that the speed at which they can maybe create a proof of concept, or just speed the speed with which they can deliver features matters there. But I just can't imagine like a significant code base and that having the code quality that an AI generated code base has. Um, how are we supposed to build on top of it, right? There has to be a point where the code base itself is so complicated where the AI won't be able to actually get all of it in context, or maybe also it can't even maybe find the bug. Maybe when it comes down on the human to actually find the bug, to find what problem the system right has currently. How is the human going to do that, right? It's just amazing to me, right? I don't know. I don't have the answers right now. Even I am a bit overwhelmed with um, what can I say? Yeah, this AI generated slop, this AI generated code, like so much code there is. No one is even reviewing this code. Uh, I mean, I don't know. Maybe my experience has been that way at this company. That could be the reason. Maybe there are some better processes going on in other companies. Like in my previous company, I was actually the sole owner of my project. So over there, like I used to plan everything out in open code, and I used to know like where the changes will be made, and only after I am completely sure, like, yeah, this is where the changes are going to be made, would I actually approve of it, and then it will. So I knew like what's going on where and what the code base is about it. But right now, it's like they don't even plan for it. They just tell the agent to do whatever it wants, or the first thing that it wants to do, it can do it. I mean, I am really concerned about the long-term maintainability of code bases. But again, on the flip side, maybe people just don't care about the long-term maintenance of a software project. I don't know. Yeah, just some thoughts from a junior, a mid-level engineer. Yeah, something that I have been trying to think about these days is how can I be a good engineer that so that these things, uh, this AI generated stuff and all of these things don't affect me that much. I still get to enjoy the problem solving aspect actually. But right now I don't know how to do that. I Let's see. Let's see what the future holds for us. Uh, the comments are open. I mean, this is a open discussion. Please talk about it, and I'll also learn something from you guys.